Okay, tapes rolling. Welcome to another one-shot, low-budget, unedited video of me. And today I would like to introduce my new person that do my installation of FCF Jack in the US of A. Damien Norwich. Can you not hide your face?
Sorry.
So Damien Norwich of Quark Audio. He's located in Robertson, Illinois. That's a southern Illinois, so it's right smack center, almost smack center in the country. So you guys in the USA that want to have FCF Jack installed and hook up my capacitor pack, you don't have to send the amp across the border anymore. And we have the first piece is a Parasound A21 power amp that Damien is working on. Damien, can you show us the amp?
Absolutely. Here we are. Parasound A21, and here is the FCF Jack, freshly installed.
And this FCF Jack is hooked up to a FCF2 power capacitor pack, and I'm going to put down the microphone so I can show you in the camera what the FCF2 it uses a 100 volts. It's like this. It actually have a ventilation grill that I made. Now those are my personal touch, and every single unit have a slightly different personal touch, and that has become my signatures. And I hope people will buy the stuff that actually like it. But well, I'm starting to do a little bit outside now, a little bit at a time. So. Is that all that we want to say in this video? Do we have anything else to say?
Well, like you said, you had the capacitor pack there. Just show the connector for anyone that hasn't seen it before. But this would be the other end. This would be on the capacitor pack, and it would be, you just connect it straight in, and it connects nice and solid there. And then that's when you would actually power on the unit and let the capacitor pack charge. And after it's fully charged, you can actually take it out and AB back and forth directly. The difference that it makes. That's just something I've always loved. That you can AB directly immediately. You don't have to wait or try to remember something.
It's nice to have people. Nice to have people knows more than I do, so he can do my talking. Well, it is, because when I get in front of the camera, sometimes I forget what I'm supposed to say. But yeah, you can AB the capacitor pack while the music is playing. But after you've done a few ABs, you just want to leave it on anyway. Right. Most of the people that actually have the jacks. Some people just want to install the jack and couldn't afford the capacitor pack yet, or haven't decided which level the capacitor pack they want. Is we have standard 1, 2, 3 level. Then install the jack and they can try it. So they can try the level 1, 2, or 3 and compare them and see which one they want. So you don't have to buy the pack with the jack. So you can send the amp to Damien, install the jack, and talk to our dealer, and they can actually send you a couple, maybe all 3 levels, and let you choose which one you want. So it's after the jack is installed on the back of the amp. They are adjustable, switchable. You don't have to send the amp back to Damien anymore. You don't have to send the amp back to me anymore. If you bought a level 1 this year, you want to upgrade, you can actually just trade in the level 1 and go for level 2 or 3.
Yeah, I always have that upgrade path. Could always make it better.
Yeah. And I'm so glad that I found you, Damien, so I don't have to lug around those heavy amps anymore. Like the last time I whined about the building a big amp, just hurt my arms.
Yeah, it's pretty hefty.
Yeah, you're younger than me, so you can handle it for another 20 years.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Something I do daily anyway.
No, we don't have that many, but it's coming. Because now I have you, it's more going to come because it was just me doing it, and people have to send across the border. Shipping is going to cost quite a bit, and we still have the border between Canada and US, and custom brokerage is a lot of people that don't quite understand. It's not shipping. It's basically handling fee across the border to do the paperwork. Yes, we have NAFTA between us, but NAFTA doesn't mean it's free. It's tax free, but they do need people to handle the paperwork, and custom brokerage basically is the cost of handling the paperwork. And we eliminate that part, and the shipping is less, and we also eliminate the paperwork handling part. With an amp like this, we basically save 60 to 70% of the cost of transporting the amp from the owner to where it needs to be.
Right. Keeps it right here in the United States.
Yep. Yep.
Shipping by itself can be expensive, especially when you factor in, insurance costs. So.
Yep. As soon as across the border is just hit the roof, and a lot of time the installation cost is less than the shipping. Yep. So I think that's all we really want to say. And shall we go back to work now?
Yeah, it's still early on a Tuesday.
Yeah, it's almost lunchtime now. We're 1 hour different, but it's almost lunchtime. So I'm thinking about, should I eat lunch and get going, or just keep going until I pass out? But anyway, one way or the other, I'm going to shut off the camera. Thanks for watching. Nice talking to you, Damien.
Nice talking to you, Angela. Bye, everybody.
Okay, talk to you later. I'm turning off the camera. Bye.